but I'm about to arm swatch it for y'all. So hello and welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. I'm Vanessa and this is Nessa CX Beauty, and today we are going to be unboxing my first Lucky Bag from Beautylish. I did get the $75 one with $10 shipping, so it was $85 in total, and there's going to be 6 products in here retailing for over $150 in value if I'm not mistaken. So Lucky Bags I think happen once a year, and I luckily got my hands on one of them. They are all sold out right now, so I just want to unbox them in front of y'all, and if you're interested in that, just continue watching. So opening the box, I just wanted to show y'all how beautiful this packaging is. Stunningly gorgeous. I did want to read off the tag just because it is like beautiful with the sentiment. It says, Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The crane in this year's Lucky Bag symbolizes longevity and good luck. We hope surprises inside make your 2020 a little bit more lucky. The hashtags are Lucky Bag 2020 and Beautylish. So let's dig in. The first item in my Lucky Bag is the Oribe Feather Balm Weightless Styler. I do not know what this is. I think this is for the hair. I have been taking care of my hair even more recently. Oh, this is beautiful. This packaging is beautiful. It says, distribute throughout damp hair, blow dry or air dry for feather light styles. Can also be used throughout the day as a taming finisher. So this is something that I may share with my mom, but the packaging is stunning. I've also never heard of this brand in my life, but I will search up how much this costs. The next item in my box is something I'm really excited for. This is the silicone-free priming moisturizer from Good Molecules, and my friends Lundyn and Crystal did receive this in PR, and they said that they are in love with it, so I am super excited to try this out. I want to feel the texture. Okay. It's fragrance free. And whoop. Oh, it feels really nice. It kind of definitely reminds me of the Beautylish Matcha Green Tea Priming Moisturizer. It feels exactly like it, except this one has a fragrance of green tea and that one smells fragrance free. So that's a positive if your skin is sensitive. So the next thing in my Lucky Bag is the Pharmacy Bright On Vitamin C Mask. I do love Pharmacy, although I have heard that their cleansing balm has like pieces of plastic in it, so I haven't been really using it recently. But whenever I see vitamin C, I do get excited because I have discoloration all over my face. If y'all can't see it, y'all are always complimenting my skin, but look, it's so discolored right here, especially like around my mouth. If y'all have anything for that, please let me know. I always try vitamin C, and if it says vitamin C, I'm putting it on my face. So there you go. The next item in my Lucky Bag is the Jouer Longwear Lip Cream in the shade Mirror. These. It looks kind of like purple. Oh, it's like a pinky, mauvey pink. Ah, that's really dry. Okay. That is that shade on my lips. It definitely feels like it has a blue undertone, and blue undertones make my teeth look yellow, so this is coming off. I am not the biggest fan of this, but it's a pretty color from the tube on the swatch on my lip. It just, I don't know. If my teeth are still yellow, I'm sorry, I guess. But that's one of the ones that I'm probably not the most excited for. The next item I'm actually super excited for because I do not own a Wayne Goss brush, and this is the number 14 brush. I definitely see myself using this as a highlighting brush because one, it is soft and it looks too precise. So I definitely feel like this is gonna be a highlighting brush for me. And then lastly in my box, I did get the Miss Fame. Whoa, there was eyelashes stuck onto this. I'm sorry. But lastly in my box, I did get the Under My Skin palette from Miss Fame. I didn't even know that this palette existed. Ooh. But I'm about to arm swatch it for y'all, so let's go into Neorgasm. So that's like a black. It looks purple in the pan, but it does have like little purple glitters in it. Mauve Mentum. There is Mauve Mentum. It has like little pink glitters in it. Astral Play. Next up is Astral Play. Orangey. It's like a nice shade. Ooh, I love that. Next up is Blue Phoria. Orgasm. It looks super crumbly. Ooh, I don't know. It's like a duochrome, but it's super crumbly. Tauptation. It's a nice taupey color. That one has like green glitters in it. Skintimacy. Ooh, that's a nice brown. Cosmic Crush. Ooh. That's a nice shade. And lastly, Wanderlust. Ooh. Yo. Okay, so there are definitely some hits and misses in these colors. I don't really know why they try to play me with Norgasm. This shade looks so beautiful in the pan. You would never think it's a plain old black on the hand with purple glitters in it. I don't know, that was kind of a letdown. Taupe Nation is pretty, but it looks so different in the pictures on the website. I'm gonna show you right here. That is how this shade is supposed to look, which made no sense to me. The brown is nice. The orange and the green definitely make this palette for me. I am going to try to use it. However, because it does have so many misses, like especially this crumbly shade, I may end up decluttering it at some point. You know, sometimes I have like, I'm gonna love this palette kind of feeling, and I don't have that from this, but I'm gonna try it out, and then if I don't like it, I will declutter it. It will be popping up on Poshmark. But this orange and this green and this blue kind of made the whole palette for me. So that is everything I had in my lucky bag this year. I definitely would try getting the XL bag next year. I don't know if I would, you know, pay $85 for this box again next year for the large bag, like the regular bag, but I definitely think I'm gonna try to do the XL next year, because I don't know, because I don't think this is a hit for me. This is okay, like it's pretty, and I have been taking care of my hair more, and this is like for me. So the most exciting things in this box are definitely the vitamin C mask. the primer and the brush. So 3 and 3, so half and half. Would I purchase the regular bag again? I don't think so, but I'm sure other people have other variations. My friend Lundyn did already put up her video for the Lucky Bag, and that will be in the cards and linked down below. She did get a different variation from me, so definitely check her video out. And that is all I have for y'all today. Have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. I hope to see you soon. Bye.